Imagine if just one choice could flip your financial world upside down. Thrilling, wouldn't you say? Welcome to the captivating realm of cryptocurrency. It's not just a digital gold rush, it's electrifying treasure hunt, the outlawed territory of finance that's shaking the very foundation of traditional monetary systems. Whether you're a doubter, a rookie, or a veteran crypto explorer, knowledge is your compass. The more you grasp, the more adept you become at charting your course through this uncharted territory. So strap in and ready yourself for a thrilling journey into the cryptoverse. Today, we're not just unraveling the enigma of cryptocurrency, we're embarking on a daring quest for understanding. It all began with Bitcoin. In 2008, an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto introduced the world to Bitcoin, a digital currency like no other. Bitcoin was revolutionary because it wasn't controlled by any government or corporation. It was decentralized, meaning no single entity held the reins. This innovative concept gave rise to a system where transactions could be verified without the need for a middleman. And just like that, the world of finance was forever changed. Bitcoin paved the way for a new financial era. Bitcoin was just the beginning. In its wake, a multitude of cryptocurrencies have sprung up, each with their own unique features and specialties. Ethereum, for instance, introduced smart contracts, extending blockchain's use beyond just currency. Ripple, on the other hand, focuses on speedy international transactions, while Litecoin prides itself on faster processing times. These are but a few examples in the vast, diverse universe of crypto that's constantly evolving. The crypto world is diverse and constantly evolving. What makes cryptocurrency possible? The answer is blockchain. Think of blockchain as a public ledger, an open book that records every transaction in the crypto world. It's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any one entity, but by everyone participating in the network. This makes it transparent, secure, and nearly impossible to tamper with. It's the backbone that gives cryptocurrencies their unique benefits like anonymity and decentralization. Without blockchain, there would be no crypto. Mining isn't just for gold anymore. In the realm of cryptocurrencies, mining takes on a whole new meaning. Instead of swinging a pickaxe, miners solve complex mathematical puzzles using high-powered computers. This process not only verifies transactions and adds them to the blockchain, but it also releases new coins into the system. So, in essence, crypto miners are the gatekeepers of the digital currency world, ensuring its security and integrity. Mining is the heartbeat of the crypto world. With great potential comes great risk. Now let's talk about the double-edged sword that is crypto. On one hand, it's a roller coaster ride, with values skyrocketing one moment and plummeting the next. It's this volatility that makes it a high-risk, high-reward game. On the other hand, the potential for monumental returns is an undeniable allure. Remember, the crypto market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a financial frontier. As with any investment, knowledge is power. Where do you keep your crypto? In a digital wallet, of course. Just like a physical wallet holds your cash and cards, a crypto wallet stores your digital coins. But unlike the wallet in your pocket, crypto wallets require top-notch security. Why? Well, imagine losing the key to a treasure chest. That's what losing your wallet's key feels like. It's crucial to choose a secure wallet and manage your keys responsibly. Remember, with great crypto power comes great responsibility. Securing your crypto assets is paramount. So, where is all this heading? Let's consider the potential future of cryptocurrency. Imagine a world where crypto is the norm, where digital currencies are as common as the change in your pocket. The global economy could be revolutionized, thriving on the transparency and efficiency that blockchain technology provides. This future isn't far-fetched, it's already unfolding before our eyes. And though challenges will arise, the resilience of crypto could very well be the key to its success. The future of crypto is as exciting as it is unpredictable. Enjoying the content? Why not become part of our community? We've had a thrilling journey through the cryptoverse today, unraveling the mysteries of Bitcoin, exploring the vast world beyond it, delving into the backbone of crypto, understanding the power of mining, weighing the risks and rewards, getting a grip on crypto wallets and security, and envisioning the future of crypto. If these topics sparked your curiosity, it's time to take action. You see, the world of crypto is a rapidly changing landscape. New currencies are being minted, innovative technologies are being developed, and regulatory landscapes are shifting. To keep up with this dynamic world, subscribing to our channel is a great start. It's like having a front row seat to the latest in crypto, right at your fingertips. But subscribing is just the first step. When you hit that like button, it sends a powerful message. It tells us that you appreciate the effort put into creating these enlightening pieces of content. It tells us that you're part of a community that values knowledge and discovery. And it tells the YouTube algorithm that this content is worth sharing, helping us reach more people like you, who are eager to learn about the fascinating world of crypto. And if you found this video helpful, why keep it to yourself? Sharing is a crucial part of learning. By sharing this video, you're not just helping others understand crypto, but sparking conversations that could lead to new insights and ideas. Who knows, the next big thing in crypto could be a thought sparked by a conversation you started. So let's recap. To stay updated, hit the subscribe button. To show your support and help us reach more people, hit the like button. And to spread the knowledge and spark conversations, hit the share button. It's that simple. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. And by subscribing, liking, and sharing, you're taking an important step on your journey through the cryptoverse. Join us on this journey of discovery. So what have we learned about crypto? We've demystified the enigma, journeyed from Bitcoin's birth to the expansive world beyond. We've explored the backbone of crypto and the power of mining, weighed the risks and rewards, and delved into wallets and security. We've gazed into crypto's promising future. We've underscored the importance of staying informed and making savvy decisions. Remember, in the world of crypto, knowledge is your greatest asset. Stay curious, stay vigilant, and keep expanding your crypto knowledge.